Welcome to my channel, my name is Henk and today I will do a pocket dump. Regular viewers of my video channel are not used. I am doing pocket dumps, EDC carry videos, but today I thought I will make an exception. I am way behind with videos, but I don't know where to start, so this seemed to me a good start, just doing something I never do. Okay, so here you see some goodies which I carry with me. I will never go somewhere without my tobacco. I am a smoker and I like to roll my own cigarettes, and we call it heavy tobacco, so that's always on me. And of course, when you smoke you need a lighter, and I always carry a disposable lighter, but I have a permanent lighter on its way, but I will show you when it arrives. But never go outside without a lighter. Speaking of lightning, I always carry a little EDC Light with me. This one I bought on an auction for a good charity from the German channel Stephan 12321. He often does videos with auctions for charity purpose, and this one I bought. It has three modes. And a hidden mode is just a strobe. I don't know if I can get it. And I use this light, for example, when I walk the dogs at night, but I always carry it. And on the light I have a glow in the dark attachment, and this one was gifted by a good friend of me, and Theo is his name. He knows that he was the one who gifted me this. This one is in my pocket. This one is in my pocket, and this one varies, or in my pocket or in the messenger bag. Then I always carry a handkerchief. I know lots of you guys call it a bandana, but I like to call it a handkerchief. I blow my nose in it, but I always put a clean one in my pocket, so I could use it for other things when an emergency is there. I always carry an handkerchief. Then, of course, I always carry a knife. In the last weeks, this one will not come out of my pocket anymore. This is the W602, the Tento. Bit of a controversial knife because of the color schemes, color variations, but this is a gorgeous knife. Strong build, well built, very ergonomic for me. It holds its edge very, very, very well. I'm surprised about the 35 VN holding up so well, and I use it a lot in the kitchen, but also on all kind of tasks. Here you see a little spot where some Loctite was glued. This weekend I was with friends and they had a garden chair, and it came loose every time, so I Loctited the chair, but I had to cut the little tube of Loctite and it came on the edge, a drop. I forgot about it and I had to scratch it off later on, but it remains very sharp all the time, and I only have stropped it. This is a very nice knife, very smooth, very capable, although it's a tanto, and yet I like it very much. I can highly recommend this knife. This is high-end production quality, really high-end production quality. So this one, the last week's just this one. Then my wallet, a little wallet. I can attach it to my belt, but most of the time I have it in my messenger bag. Coins and paper money. So I always carry this one. Then a card holder for my driver's license, my ID, my credit card, etc. is always on me. Then I have this Swiss Victorinox Swiss card. This is gifted by Flo of the German channel McFlosen. Very nice gift. I didn't know these exist. Probably it was a kind of promotional gift from Altron Management. Probably they let this made, but I like it very much. It has a little scissor. It has a file. It has a tweezer. It has a toothpick. And it has a little pen, so to write something. And it has a little knife. So I like this card very much, and I always take it with me when I'm outdoor. Then when I leave the house, this one will sit in my messenger bag as well. It is the Leatherman Super Tool. I like it very much, with the blade, the file, screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, saw. So always comes in handy. Then I have my little notebook when I have to write down something, and of course with the pen. And recently I added this to my EDC carry. This was gifted from a good friend of me, Stephan, and he recently started his YouTube channel Alittleolder. He has an English variant and a German variant. He comes from Austria, and he sent me a box with some goodies, and this was amongst them. And this is very useful when leaving the house for a long period and you don't know exactly what to stick with you for your energy. So this is for emergency, when I need some calories. Very nice. And then of course this messenger bag with a few compartments, and I know for each compartment what will contain each compartment, so it makes searching for a specific item very handy, and I always carry it on my chest. So that's my EDC carry. If you like this video, please like it. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Any questions or comments, I try to answer all of them, but lately I have been a bit busy, so it can be delayed, and if you don't get response from me, just ask another question and I will try to respond. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye.